Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Save Failed in Pinterest app. So let's go ahead and start the video. There are some problems on Pinterest app such like error 404 or the fix save failed or something like error 707 or the app keeps crashing. So some of the latest ways how you can fix them is first option, go to Pinterest, click on the option over here. This is for this option, so you can just go ahead and locate Pinterest, go to its options and click on force stop, then click OK and your problem might be solved by now. But if there is still a problem and the save failed is being shown over here on the Pinterest, go to storage and you can see the cache has been stored. Just go ahead and click on clear cache and try to open Pinterest and save a thing. But the save failed is still being shown. Then what you need to do is click on clear data, and what this will do is delete all of the data which has been stored or which had been stored on Pinterest. And now you can try doing it. If it's still not working, just go ahead and uninstall Pinterest and reinstall it once again from the Play Store. And this is how you might fix the save failed on Pinterest app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.